Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a remedy that I've been using to whitening my teeth. I found this remedy on YouTube and it works like magic. So let's get started. I have here some of the ingredients that we're going to be needing today, and one of them is ginger. And this ginger is organic. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help support healthy mouth tissue, which is the basis for a healthy smile and white teeth. The next ingredient is lemon. Lemons contain high acid level, which is a great whitener or even a bleaching agent. Some toothpaste. I don't know what toothpaste you use. Use any toothpaste you have at home. Then our last ingredient is salt. Salt is a natural antibacterial working by attacking bacterial cell walls. So salt helps both whiten your teeth naturally and looks after your gums. I'm going to grab my knife and peel my ginger. After peeling your ginger, go ahead and grate it. I really need a smaller grater. So this is our grated ginger, but we want to use another juice. So go ahead, grab your strainer and strain your grated ginger. So this is our ginger juice. Cut your lemon and squeeze some of the juice out. Go ahead, add 2 teaspoons of salt and shake well. Add your toothpaste and mix properly. So yeah, this is our remedy. The next step is to use it. Take your brush, brush your teeth. I brush my teeth for about 5 to 8 minutes. And after that, I leave it in my mouth for about 1 minute. Then I go ahead and rinse it off with lukewarm water. I use this remedy 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And it does work really good. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. That's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.